Jamie here from Jamie's Custom. Just wanted to give you guys a glimpse of our 1938 Ford Rat Rod we completed. Turned out really cool. It's got a real high horsepower small block Chevy engine, a patina paint job, Bond speed wheels. The frame was completely fabricated by Jamie's Customs, a Corvette independent rear end. And we don't want to make this too long, so we'll give it over to Cody and we'll let you hear it run quick. Just a quick shot of the inside. Everything's done from full seats, full harness, tilt steering column, the best of Wildwood brakes, everything. Here we go, Cody.